In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Microsoft Office 365 support by phone. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'm going to be using my web browser, and then I'm going to go to Google. Now in the Google search box, I'm going to type in Microsoft Office 365 support by phone. I'm going to hit enter. And now you want to skip past the sponsored results, and then we need to click on global support service phone numbers from support.microsoft.com. So go ahead and click into that link here. And now what you want to do is keep it on personal accounts, or if you're using a work or school account, you can click that one too. And then go ahead and click on get help. And now tell us your problem. So what we want to do is put in Microsoft Office 365 support by phone and then click get help. Now from here, scroll down and click on contact support down below, and then type it in again. Microsoft Office, just choose Microsoft 365 and Office and category. You want to click onto technical support and then click confirm. And then from here, you need to chat with a support agent in your web browser and then request a callback. So I'll just show you what this looks like. So click and then confirm your email, click confirm. And now what this is going to do, this is going to open up a new web page where you can speak to support via a live chat. And then from there, just say, hey, I want a callback, or request a callback and speak to a Microsoft Office 365 support worker.